Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic digital banking. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting with respect to payment industry and banking. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Digital banking. First of all, this term shows clearly that it focuses on banking. Banking means that digitization and working of banking becomes digital. So that means, friend, there are so many activities which occurred, which handled in the banking sector. Like for example, you want to draw cash, you want to transfer some fund. So all these sorts of activities which normally done in the banks, we have to go to the branch and then we have to perform these activities. Rather than just going there on the branch, we can do all these things digitally. Digitally means that you can now deposit money, cash withdrawal, transfer, fund transfer, IBFT, account management like balance account, etc., and account statements, financial products, information about financial products. For example, you can apply for a car, you can apply for home loan, other activities specific to loan management, bill payments like utility bill payments, and top ups, mobile top ups, account level services like you want to see your account balance, your account statement, other activities related to account. So all these sorts of thing can be managed digitally. Digitally means that either you can use the ATM, you can use the mobile applications, so or you can use also the internet banking as well to apply for all those things. However, remember friend that whenever we talk about digital banking, we are talking about a broader term, a wide range of concept. So now friend, digital banking is become so much essential that every bank is now moving toward digital banking. Why? Because everyone knows that the future of banking industry is based on now digitally means that all the major banks are now moving towards mobile applications, and the all the core activities of banking, for consumer banking especially, like fund transfer, loan management, checkbook services, etc. So all the consumer services are now moving towards digitally, and the future of banking industry is based on now digital. Now here friend, remember that there is the two terms of normally used exchangeably with each other, like online banking and digital banking. Here remember friend one thing, that digital banking, when we talk about, it's a broader term. Broader means that all the main aspects, like for example, if you want to apply for loan, you can apply using mobile applications, and you can apply through websites, etc. And digital means a broader term. Whenever we talk about online, so basically we are talking about internet banking, like you can use the online website of the bank to use the core banking activities like fund transfer, IBFT, and mobile top up, etc. So there is some difference between online banking and digital banking. Online banking, you can say a subset of a digital banking. Whenever we talk about digital banking, it's a very broader term, a very big concept. Whenever we talk about the digital banking, means that all the main activities related to consumer banking, we will making it as a digital. So that is the main difference between digital banking and online banking. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.